class, we are going to discuss the topic LCM and HCF. The full form of LCM is least common multiple. Least means smallest, common means the number which appears in both. Multiple here means the numbers that we obtain on multiplying. So basically, when we are asked to find the LCM of two numbers, we have to find the smallest number which appears in the table of both. For example, we are here asked to find the LCM of 3 and 5. First, I have written here the table of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. These are all multiples of 3. Next, I am going to write the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. Now next is common. I have to find first the common multiples of 3 and 5. So here I can see that 15 appears in table of both. Next 30 is also in the table of both. But we have to find the smallest number. So smallest multiple here is 15. So LCM of 3 and 5 will be 15. Similarly, if we are asked to find the LCM of three numbers, for example 4, 8 and 12. First I am going to write the table of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Next I have written here the table of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Next the table of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. Multiple which will, the number that will appear in all the three tables. First 24 is there in all the three tables. Next 48. 48 is also in all the three tables. But I have to find the least, the smallest out of these. So smallest here is 24. So LCM of 4, 8 and 12 will be 24. Next is our HCF or GCD. The full form of HCF is highest common factor. And if we are using the term GCD, GCD stands for greatest common divisor. So in the case of LCM, we were finding the multiples, but for HCF, we have to find the factors. And out of all the given factors, we have to select the largest or the highest one. So for example, it is asked to find HCF of 45 and 63. So first I have to write all the possible factors of 45, or you can understand it by the way that all the possible numbers by which we can divide 45. On dividing 45 by those numbers, the remainder will be 0. So possible factors of 45 will be 45 will be divisible by 3. Next 45 will be divisible by 5. Next number will be 9. Then 45 appears in the table of 15. Next 45 appears in the table of itself 45. Next I have to write the multiples for 63. 63 is divisible by 3. Next 7. Then 9. 21 and then 63 itself. Next we have to select the common factors. So the common factors here you can clearly see is 3 and 9. Now in the case of HCF, we have to select the highest out of the common factors. So out of 3 and 9, the greatest is 9. So the HCF of 45 and 63 will be 9. We are given with a question, find LCM and HCF of 20, 24 and 36. So what we are going to do is, first write these numbers like this. This side we are going to fill only prime numbers. Important point to note here is, we are going to write here only prime numbers. When we are finding HCF, we have to write the number by which we can divide all the three. So basically 20, 24 and 36. 2 can divide all these numbers. So first I am going to write here 2. On dividing 20 by 2, we will obtain 10. On dividing 24 by 2, we will get 12. On dividing 36 by 2, we will obtain 18. Next I have to write the number 10, which can divide 10, 12 and 18. Again the number will be 2. On dividing 10 by 2, I am going to obtain 5. Dividing 12 by 2, we will obtain 6. Dividing 18 by 2, we will get 9. Now observe, is there any possible number by which we can divide 5, 6 and 9? There is no such number in which the 5, 6 and 9, all the three appears together. So we have to stop here, and my HCF will be product of these two. So HCF will be 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Next, when we have to calculate LCM, again write these numbers. This side we have to fill only the prime numbers. So start filling. First we can divide by 2. Then I am going to obtain 10, 12 and 18. Again we are going to divide them by 2. 5, 6 and 9. Now we have to finally convert all the three into 1, 1 and 1. So it is not necessary to write the prime number which can divide all the three. You can write any prime number by which any one of these is divisible. For example, when I am writing here 3. 5 is not divisible by 3. So I am going to copy 5 as it is. But 6 and 9 are divisible by 3. So on dividing 6 by 3, we will obtain 2. On dividing 9 by 3, we are going to obtain 3. Next, when I am going to divide 2, 5 is not divisible by 2. Copy 5 as it is. In the place of 2, I am going to write 1 and copy 3 again as it is. Next will be 3. And my next number will be 5. So LCM will be product of these prime numbers. So my LCM here will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, 3 and 5. Okay. It will be 360. So LCM of 20, 24 and 36 will be 360. Next we are asked to find the LCM of 15, 20 and 30. So again we are going to start the same way. First what I am going to do is 15, 20 and 30. Think of a prime number which can divide 15, 20 and 30. My number will be 5. On dividing 15 by 5, I will get 3. 20 divided by 5, 4. And 30 divided by 5 will be 6. Now, is there any possible prime number which can divide 3, 4 and 6 together? No. So, we have to stop here, and my HCF here will be 5. Next, when we are going to find the LCM of 15, 20 and 30, first copy 5 as it is, 3, 4 and 6. Then write the prime number which can divide any one of the 3. So 2, 3 cannot be divided by 2, so write 3 as it is. On dividing 4 by 2, I am going to get 2. On dividing 6 by 2, we will get 3. Again 2. 3 is not divisible by 2, so I have written 3 as it is. Next, I have to continue this till I got 1, 1 and 1. So, the LCM will be product of these prime numbers. So, LCM here will be 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. On multiplying these, you will get the answer as 60. So, the LCM of 15, 20 and 30 is 60. Let us discuss a short trick to find LCM. We find here LCM of 4, 12 and 24. Now look at the next number. 12 is a multiple of 4. If the next number is a multiple of previous number, then we are going to cancel out. Okay. Next look. 24 is also a multiple of 12. Cancel out 12 also. So LCM here will be 24. Next, I have to find LCM of 3, 7 and 15. Next number written to 3 is 7. Is 7 a multiple of 3? No. Now look at the next number. 15 is a multiple of 3. When the greater multiple is present, we are going to cancel out the smaller one. So I am here going to cancel 3. Now look at for 7. The next number is 15. Is 15 a multiple of 7? No. So we have to stop here. The LCM will be product of the remaining numbers. 7 multiplied by 15. So LCM here will be 105. Next, I am asked to find the LCM of 2, 4 and 8. Now start looking. 4 is a multiple of 2. So I am going to cancel 2. Next, 8 is a multiple of 4. Cancel out 4. So LCM here is 8.